everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I want to talk about sweat. So I personally quite like to break a sweat. Sweating is actually a sign of a normal, healthy, functioning body, so it's not something to necessarily shy away from, but I don't necessarily want to offend people around me with bad BO. So I think the goal of any good deodorant should be to respect your body's natural perspiration process, but just control the BO that can result from that. So one of the products that sort of is in line with that philosophy is this one here by Triumph and Disaster. It's called Spice Deodorant. So this particular product, unlike pretty much the vast majority, well, all but one of our other deodorants, this is actually a liquid roll-on, so it's a little rollable like that. So you apply it just by sort of rolling it under the arm. And the way this product is designed is it's intended to control perspiration, excuse me, versus eliminating it. And then it also helps to neutralize the bacteria. Bacteria is actually what causes body odor. So it helps to neutralize the source of the odor, which is bacteria. Scent-wise, it's got frankincense, bay leaf, and clove. So it's kind of a really unique sort of spicy scent, hence the name Spice Deodorant. Subtle, but still, if you get a waft of it if you want to get a waft of it, but it's not overpowering like a cologne or anything like that, so it wouldn't compete with the fragrance that you wear necessarily. I've tried it, I found it to be quite effective. It's getting really positive reviews on our website. So if you're looking for a nice, natural, effective liquid roll-on deodorant, I think this is a great choice. Really unique scent too, not like anything else that I've smelt in a deodorant. So check it out, shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in the shop, come and give it a whiff. Thanks for listening.